Can I interest you in an epic beach shoreline? I'm standing here on a world-class lake shoreline here at Cultus Lake, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at that, my friend. The beautiful, world-class, stunning, incredible, alpine lake wonder of the world known as Cultus Lake. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm sitting here at a beach shoreline picnic day use area here on the banks of Cultus Lake, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. Look at how absolutely beautiful this lake is. If you want to look over and capture the sun and it beam through these gray, ominous clouds, absolutely lighting up Cultus Lake, making it glow as it peers over towering Deschutes National Forest. This is beautiful. I also gotta say, something about this lake, the way it's situated, where the wind makes the waves crash up against the shore like this, gives strong Oregon Beach vibes. I feel like I'm over at Oregon Beach, but I'm in the high alpine country in Central Oregon, near Bend, Deschutes National Forest, Cascade Lake Scenic Byway. This area, my friend, oh man, I truly love it.